This is Deja with knitandcrocheteverafter.com. Today we're doing the junk rib stitch pattern. I will tell you why I call this the junk rib after we do the stitches. So download the pattern below and we'll get started. Okay, so the junk rib has a multiple of 4 plus 2. So however wide you want it, take it times 4 and then add 2 at the end. And we'll start with a ribbing row. So this is a kind of it's a rib, but it's not a full-on rib, so it doesn't have alternating ribbing every single row. You'll see what I mean. Super easy 2-row repeat, and it's got a cool effect. So for the first row, we're gonna knit 2, purl 2. So knit 2, purl 2 all the way across. You'll have 2 stitches left at the end that you'll knit 2. Because this is got knits and purls, you don't need to put a border on it. It's not gonna curl. You can if you want to, and I should probably put this in the frame so you can actually see what I'm doing. And then once we get to the end of this, we'll have one super easy row 2 to do. So easy you won't believe it. So 2 knits at the very end. Not so bad. Row 2 is ready. So for row 2, what we're gonna do is just knit. That is it. I love like just knit rows and not purl rows. So much easier. So that's it. That's all you do for this pattern. Over and over again, knit 2, purl 2, ending with the knit 2, and then you knit the other side and you get the junk rib. Now, why do I call it the junk rib? Let me show you. So this is the right side, and I call this the junk rib because usually you would say this is like the wrong side or the junk side, because the other side has like straight up looking rib. So it's got a very wrong side that looks like a right side, if you know what I mean. Usually the stockinette is the right side, but this one, the purls are the right side. So the junk rib is the right side. So maybe that's, you can understand why I'm calling it that. But I do like that this is reversible, so you can use this for a scarf because it's got cool on both sides, or a beanie. And you can also use this as your right side. Totally up to you. But that's the junk rib. This is Deja with knitandcrocheteverafter.com, and thank you for watching.